After creating your GIS class folder, the next thing that you're going to want to do is extract your tutorial data. Take the CD from the back of your textbook and install it into your CD-ROM. Typically, the autoplay feature comes on board, and what we want to do in this case is open folders to view files. This is the list of files on the CD. We're going to double click the mgisdata 5e.exe file, and we're going to use the browse button to point this extraction tool to the new folder that we created where we want to save all of our GIS work. So I'm going to browse, go back to Libraries, Documents, My Documents. Scroll down till you find the GIS class folder that we just created and pick OK. I'm going to select the unzip, and the software is now extracting all of the data files that you will need to work through the tutorials and exercises in your textbook. This may take a few minutes. So once the utility has completed extracting the files, I'm going to close this dialog box and I'm going to browse to my folder to inspect to make sure those files are available. GIS class, mgisdata should have a world, USA, Rapid City, Oregon, Black Hills, map documents, metadata, and Austin. The map documents folder contains all the documents that you'll use to start with when you begin working through the tutorials in your textbook. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.